Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Gillies Financial. We're back with another video, and today we're going to talk about credit spreads. Unfortunately, I was on the wrong side of a credit spread and my spread expired in the money. So unlike a debit spread, which you want to expire in the money, I have had my options exercised, which means I took the maximum loss in the credit spread. So what does that look like on TD Ameritrade? Well, the first thing that I want to discuss using the ThinkOrSwim platform is what this looks like to create a credit spread. So the first thing I want to do is I want to sell, in this case, and I was using NVIDIA, I will sell a put. What I'm going to do is sell the 500 put. And as you can see, that is currently priced at $11.60, so $1,160. Then what I would do is I would buy the farther out of the money put, which in this case is going to be the 497. And you can see that this gives me the chart of what my profit loss capabilities are. So as you can see, the real total loss that I could take here is $250. However, someone is paying me $102 to be able to take this. So someone is paying me $102 to not go below, as you can see, the 498, whatever the difference between the price is going to be. So what we're looking at is to be on the right side of this. So this is something you can do if you are particularly bullish on a stock. So this is what I did with NVIDIA, although I unfortunately was on the wrong side where I had said it was 505 and 500. And as you saw, tech sold off last week and I got caught up in this, and so I got exercised on the full amount right here. So what did that mean? Because this is important to notice, because on Robinhood, this is what caused that young man earlier this year to have a negative 700K in his account. So what does this look like in my account? So it really wasn't anything crazy. As you can see here, this is where I purchased the 500 shares at 505. You can see that balance here. And then this is where I sold that 500 or that 100 shares at 500, and you can see that balance here. The reason that I highlight these two items right here is because, again, that's a lot of money that is on this account when normally we're playing around a couple $100, maybe a couple $1,000. And so when we see these values, it can be odd or terrifying, but again, it's really not concerning. You can see that removal of option due to exercise, but it's not concerning when you see these large values. That just means that you're being exercised upon in terms of the option pricing. So no need to be concerned. You can see that information here, but that is what happens when you lose on a credit spread, and hopefully in the future we won't have to worry about it. But thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please drop a like down below and subscribe.